Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the science class. So, in the last class, we were seeing about skeletal system and muscular system, and today we are going to see circulatory system and nervous system. Okay, we start with circular system. Before moving to the circulatory system, let us see the question answers of the first part. Okay. What are the functions of the skeletal system? Answer: the skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. It protects the internal organs of our body. Question number 2. Name the different parts of the skeletal system. Skull, rib cage, backbone and limb bones. These are the 4 parts of the skeletal system. Question number 3. What are the functions of the muscular system? Answer: the muscular system helps us to maintain posture and perform various activities. Then question number 4. Write the different types of muscles in our body. Answer: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. These are the questions and answers of the first part. Okay. So now let us move to the circulatory system. In the picture you can see 3 parts for the circulatory system. So which are the 3 parts? You can look at the picture and you can tell which are the 3 parts. The first one is heart, and the second one is arteries, and the third one is veins. Okay. The heart we can see at the chest part. It is protected by the rib cage that we studied in the last class, and arteries are red in color, that are the blood vessels. Veins also blood vessels. Okay. So first we see what is the function of the circulatory system. What is the function of the circulatory system? What is the function of the heart that we have studied in class 3? We studied the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. So that is the function of the circulatory system. The circulatory system sends blood to all parts of the body. Along with the blood, it sends nutrients also. The blood absorbs nutrients from the food, and these nutrients are carried to all parts of the body by the circulatory system. Along with the blood, these nutrients are also transmitted to the different parts of the body. That is the function of the circulatory system, and it consists of 3 parts: heart, arteries and veins. The blood is carried to all the parts of the body through blood vessels. There are 2 types of blood vessels. They are arteries and veins. And in class 3 we studied what is the function of arteries and what is the function of veins. Yes or no? Do you remember that? Okay. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all the other parts of the body, whereas veins carry blood from the other parts of the body to the heart. Okay. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich blood means oxygenated blood, that means blood contains oxygen from the heart to other parts of the body, but veins bring blood to the heart from other parts of the body. That blood is deoxygenated. That blood does not contain oxygen. So when the blood is carried from other parts of the body to the heart by the veins, what the heart does? The heart sends the blood to the lungs, and in the lungs it is mixed with oxygen and sent back to the heart, and from the heart oxygenated blood is carried to all the other parts of the body by the arteries. Okay. So that is about circulatory system. Once again I will tell what is the function of the circulatory system. Circulatory system transmits nutrients to all parts of the body through blood. Along with the blood, nutrients also carried to the body parts. And what are the parts of the circulatory system? Circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay. So the function of the heart is that we studied already. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Okay. There are two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Okay. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to other parts of the body, while veins bring deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Oxygenated blood means blood contains oxygen. Deoxygenated blood means blood does not contain oxygen. Okay. So when the deoxygenated blood reaches to the heart, what does the heart do? The heart send that deoxygenated blood to the lungs to get oxygenated. Then it is supplied to the heart, and from the heart again it is sent to the different parts of the body through the arteries. Okay. So that's about circulatory system. Next we are going to see nervous system. Nervous system. So last year we studied about brain and the different parts of the brain, isn't it? Do you remember that? Okay. So here the nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Last year we studied about brain, spinal cord, isn't it? So do you remember that? I think all of you are remembering. Okay. So what is the function of the brain? All our life activities are controlled by brain. So what is the function of the nervous system? The nervous system controls all the activities of our body because brain is controlling our life activities. Okay. So that is the function of the nervous system. It sends messages and instructions to all the body parts to perform their function. Brain only sends messages to all our body systems, organ systems, body parts to do their work, and it is happening through spinal cord and nerves. Okay. So that is the function of the nervous system. And the nervous system, the basic unit is neuron or a nerve cell that you will study in class 5. Okay. The basic unit of the nervous system is nerve cell. Okay. And the parts of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord and many nerves. You can see many nerves running through our body. And the last class we studied our backbone protects the spinal cord, and through the backbone the spinal cord is going. Okay. So brain, spinal cord and nerves are the three parts of the nervous system. What is the function of the nervous system? The function of the nervous system is to control all the activities of our body parts. Okay. The brain controls all the activities. So the function of the nervous system also to control all the activities. Okay. Then brain, this is brain, and spinal cord, it starts from medulla oblongata. Last year we studied there are three parts for the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. And this spinal cord starts from the medulla oblongata. The another name of medulla oblongata is brainstem. Okay, starts from medulla oblongata. It continues down to the lower end of the backbone. Up to here it continues. Okay, it continues down to the lower end of the backbone, vertebral column. Another name of vertebral column is backbone. Okay. So the spinal cord starts from medulla oblongata or the brainstem and continues down to the lower end of the vertebral column or the backbone. Okay. The spinal cord and the nerves send messages to all the parts of the body. Okay. The brain sends messages and instructions to the body parts, and that is carried by the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay. The brain and the spinal cord together known as the central nervous system. Okay. Once again I will tell. So, the nervous system receives and sends signals to different parts of the body through nerves. When the brain sends signals or messages or instructions, it is carried through the spinal cord and nerves, and it reaches to the body parts. According to that we react. Okay, according to that we do the actions. Okay, it helps the body interact with the things around it. So what all things happening around us, that will be controlled by the nervous system, that will be controlled by the brain. Okay, and it consists of, the nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, the parts of the nervous system are brain, spinal cord and nerves. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves that extended from medulla oblongata to the vertebral column. What is the spinal cord? The spinal cord is a collection of nerves. It's a bundle of nerves, and it starts from the medulla oblongata, part of the brain, that is known as the brain stem, and it continues down to the lower end of the vertebral column. Vertebral column is backbone. Okay, then brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system. The main part of the nervous system are brain and spinal cord. Okay, so the nervous system controls all the life activities, all the actions we perform. Okay, that's about nervous system. So these are the assignments for you. First one, write the function of arteries and veins, and the second question, which are the parts of the nervous system, and assignment 3, read the textbook 3 times. Okay, you have to read the textbook, underline the important points, okay, and you have to learn, and during the live sessions we will clarify the doubts, and if you have any doubts we can clarify. Okay, so all of you have to read thoroughly the textbook and clarify your doubts during the live session. Okay, thank you.